How to change temperature to Fahrenheit or Celsius on weather iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the weather application on your phone. The weather app displays the current temperature, high and low temperatures, hourly forecasts, and a 10-day forecast. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then, tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner. From here, you can choose to select either Fahrenheit or Celsius as your temperature unit. Select Celsius for example. As you can see, the temperature will then be displayed in the Celsius format. Repeat the same steps to view the temperature in the Fahrenheit format. Following these steps, you can easily change temperature to Fahrenheit or Celsius on weather iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.